Once upon a time, in a faraway land, lived a little boy named Timmy, a curious and brave band. He loved to explore, day and night, and dreamt of incredible adventures, as bright as daylight. One night, under the moon's soft glow, Timmy found a mysterious box he couldn't help but show. He opened it slowly, with a heart full of cheer, and out popped a golden ring, shining clear. "I wonder what this could be," Timmy said with delight, when suddenly the ring started to shine, so bright. "I am Green Lantern," it spoke, "here to protect, to guide, to take you on adventures, far and wide." "Oh, what a wonderful surprise!" Timmy said with glee. "I've always dreamt of being as brave as can be. Green Lantern, you're my friend, I'll treat you with care, and together we'll uncover every secret to share." With that, they embarked on a journey through the night sky, over mountains, through forests, where imagination lies. They saw colors so vibrant, and creatures so grand. With Green Lantern by his side, Timmy felt like he could fly. They met a lost whale, in a deep and dark sea, whose song had been stolen, as they came to see. Together, they brought back the melody, and the whale sang once more, filling the ocean with a harmony like never before. In a cave of shadows, they found a lost kitten, alone. With Green Lantern's light, they showed her the dawn. They guided her home, to her family, and the sun began to rise. Timmy knew that he had made a friend that would never say goodbye. "Thank you, Green Lantern," Timmy said with a smile, "for the adventure and for the joy that made my heart run wild." Green Lantern replied, "I'm always here to help and protect. For friends like you, I'll carry on this quest." From that night on, Timmy and Green Lantern explored the unknown. Fueled by dreams and friendship, their bond only grown. They showed the world that kindness and light can guide us through the night. And together, they proved that dreams can take flight. As the sun began to set, Timmy returned home, with memories of the adventure forever to roam. He knew that each night, under the moon's gentle light, he'd close his eyes and dream of the love and the fight. With Green Lantern by his side, he'd venture afar, to help the lost and to teach that love conquers all, a star. And so, they dreamt, under the night sky, of more adventures to come and to fly. The end.